Team MAK said they were going to run bent factory rods that had been bent from like insane cylinder pressure and boost, right? Nobody believed them, nobody believed them. Their engine got here, and literally every single member of almost every single team has come over to verify that the connecting rods are for sure bent. And there's no doubt they are clearly bent, and a couple of them are even bent like this and twisted, and they're gonna run them. It's hilarious.
We're gonna put that engine, just like it is, into that truck.
For us, stock bottom in, that's kind of like what we do. We're pretty well known for it, sometimes notoriously, sometimes in a good way, but we have a lot of experience with it. We kind of know where the limit is of how hard you can push it before you break it.
And that truck right there, with that turbo on the roof, ain't gonna make 1,000 horsepower with a stock motor.
Stock. Oh, what?
Not possible.
Oh man, all day.
I tell you what, if they break 1,000, we're gonna break 1,000.
I was born at night, it wasn't last night, but I mean, it is what it is. Like,
We'll find out.
yeah, just wait.
Let's go make it
Are we placing wagers?
The storm is coming.